Excelerate can handle many tasks typically managed by accountants. The following hypothetical example is presented from the perspective of the building contractor to protect confidentiality. This illustration can be readily tailored for law firms or a variety of other industries. For instance, one of our customers regularly employed several subcontractors for various jobs. At the end of each month, these subcontractors would submit an Excel workbook with separate tabs for each customer, detailing their work and the total hours worked. Starting with these Excel workbooks, essentially timesheets, and the names of each company, the goal was to produce two documents. First, an Excel workbook with a tab for each company listing all the work done by every subcontractor for that company and the total hours for billing purposes. Second, another Excel workbook with a tab for each subcontractor showing the total hours they worked for each customer and the total hours for payment. Additionally, each tab of the company workbook needed to be saved separately as a PDF document to send to the respective company. We will guide you through the process, focusing on the powerful capabilities of Excelerate in viewing sets of tables from a higher perspective. First, let's create a list of all of the subcontractor timesheets. This single action can also list the paths in a folder and other information if desired. For any collection of names, this action creates a stack containing all the tables from their contents. Now we have a stack of every tab from every subcontractor. First, we select the client's name. This operation returns a value of 1 if the client name is present in the table and 0 if it is absent, applying this check across all tabs simultaneously. When a table action is implemented on a stack, it operates on every tab concurrently. We aggregate these zeros and ones into a map, which enables us to accurately select the tabs referencing the specific client. Next, select a tab and extract the current name along with subsequent column headers. Remove the first 3 rows and the final row from each tab, again executing this across all tabs at once. This step eliminates repetitive information at the top and omits individual hour totals. The following action consolidates the resulting stack into a single table by appending each tab vertically. Since the data originates from multiple subcontractors, we can sort the entries in ascending order by date for clarity. Finally, calculate the total hours by combining the header, body, and summary hours to generate the final billing document for the client. This workflow demonstrates how Excelerate efficiently handles complex tasks, minimizing manual copying and pasting between Excel workbooks and reducing the potential for errors. The previous actions were carried out for a single client. By converting the list of client names into a stack with one name per tab, grouping the actions and applying them to each tab, it is possible to generate identical billing documents for all clients at once. The resulting data can be exported to Excel as the first required table. Additionally, saving each tab as a PDF document can be accomplished with a single action. This process can be replicated for each subcontractor with respect to a particular client, thereby generating the second required table. Regarding action construction, a comprehensive list is readily accessible. A drop-down menu enables users to select the appropriate action by following straightforward options, and individual tutorials are available for each specific action. Once an action set has been created, it can be executed automatically at any time, and its individual actions can be modified just as easily as editing a sentence in a word processor. In contrast, when performing multiple tasks in Excel, the process must be repeated manually each time.